Hi guys, and welcome to my first weekly vlog for the month of April. This week I didn't do much. As you guys know, we are all kind of in quarantine and I'm stuck in my house. So on the first day of the week that I started recording, I gave my doggy a bath because he needed one. And then I recorded a couple days throughout the week. I did forget a few days because, like I said, I'm a terrible vlogger. But I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick recap of my week. Hi guys, so it is Sunday night. It is what? It's today like the 29th. I don't even know. With all this going on, I don't even keep track of the date. But I just got home from my mom's house. I've been going back and forth between my house and my mom's house. And I just took a shower and everything. So now I'm going to plan some videos. As you guys are watching this, you already know I'm doing VEDA, which is a vlog every day in April, so I definitely need to plan everything out. I got this, well, I've actually had this forever. It's actually pretty big. You guys can tell it's on my bed. It's a like calendar with sticky notes that it comes with, but it's really cool because it kind of shows you an example on the front page. So it has like, this is just 1 week, so Monday through Sunday, and then they have it broken up by like if you have like multiple people in your family, like mom and like stuff she needs to do, whatever. But what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna do like YouTube, workout, I don't know, to-dos, and like, so this way I can take advantage of all the boxes in different categories, and I really like that. So that's what I'm about to do right now, and then I'm probably gonna plan some videos, maybe do some editing. Hi. I'm trying to make a video. He's so cute. Alright guys, I'm the worst vlogger ever. That's probably why I don't make vlogs, is because I always forget to record. But today is Tuesday and it is almost 5 o'clock. I'm uploading a video that's going to go up probably before this one. It's an after dark clean with me, so I'm assuming this is going to go up before. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I will link that up top and down below. This is my cat Heidi. Heidi! She's so sweet. I love her. But yeah, I just wanted to come in, say hey, let you guys know what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm uploading a video, and I'm also watching The Content Bug. If you guys don't know about her, she is like a YouTube guru basically, and she gives amazing tips on, you know, growing your channel and stuff. So if you haven't checked her out, definitely check her out. I will try and link that down below as well. Yeah, not much going on, just cuddling, enjoying some free time. I have a headache earlier. Actually, I had a headache like all day today and half the day yesterday, and it's finally done. And that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So Thursday I went to Target to do a quick grocery run, and I had to get some storage bins, so that's why I went to Target instead of like Meijer. And the store actually looked pretty much the same as before all of this, except disinfecting wipes and tissue paper were basically gone. But I just picked up some essentials like bread, trash bags, some pop, some cereal, chips, and milk, and nothing too crazy, but I just want to quickly show you guys what I got. And they are limiting some things, but not a lot.